Hey Ballistics. So let's see how to install and set up Unity game engine. Go over to Unity website. I'll leave the exact link in the description. If you click on Get Started, you will see the various license plans and their benefits. But we'll get back to it later when we want to activate new Unity license. So head back to the initial page and download for the operating system you are using. Mine is Windows. Now this will start downloading the Unity Hub application, from which you can install any version of Unity you want and other necessary components. So when the download is done, open up the Unity Hub setup, click on I agree, of course after you've gone through the terms. Select the location we want to install the application. I'll leave mine at the default primary drive and hit install. Open up the Unity Hub application after installation. Now if you are not signed in already, click on the arrow on the top left to bring out the sign-in option and just follow the prompts to complete your sign-in process or create a new account with Unity if you have none, and remember the details you use. Now go over to installs, and this is where you can install the Unity editor of your choosing. I already have some installed, but to add one, simply click on install editor and choose the version you want. Best to go with the recommended LTS version. LTS means long-term support. The benefit of LTS is that there is extended support, so you can receive Unity fixes for a longer period of time without having to upgrade Unity versions, because upgrading Unity version comes with a lot of issues to fix and can take up a huge chunk of your development time. Clicking on install brings up a panel where you can choose what components to install alongside Unity. I already have Microsoft Visual Studio installed, which is the IDE for writing code that runs your game. So check the Mac to install it, or leave it if you plan to use other scripting applications like Visual Studio Code. Check Android build support if you want to create games for Android platform, or check any other one to build for those platforms. You don't need the offline documentation since Unity documentation is also online. Hit continue and then follow the prompt to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, head back to projects, which is where you can create new projects. Check out my video on how to do that. But before you can create a new project, you'll have to activate a new license, and that's where the licensing plans we saw in the beginning comes in. So click on the settings icon, go to licenses and click add. Go with personal if you are like me, maybe cash out yet to fund pro or plus. Agree to the terms and just follow the prompts to complete the setup, after which you are good to go create as many game projects as you want. If you found this video helpful and would like to get more Unity related content, destroy the subscribe button, and with that, stay dynamic.